gotta do the heat sink now. And with 3 screws. This one, and then there's one over here. So let's remove that. Now, the last screw is a T25 screw. No idea if I would use a T25 because my tool thing here only has, I don't know what it goes up to, but I do not have a T25, so I'm just going to have to use an Allen key. Right? And it sucks. I don't know why they would use such a large tool for this one. But I'm hoping this will do the job. I mean, I have tools around, it's just I can't seem to find them right now, so this is all I found, so I just figured hopefully this works. That's it for the heat sink. Not lose these screws. So put that right there. Those are for the heatsink. And that's it. So, oops. I think that should be it. We should be able to start trying to lift the board up. Perfect. And then here we go. Here is our hard drive. So all this just to get to this little darn thing right here. All of that trouble. Right? So we finally got to it. RAM. There's RAM. CPU. Yeah, I guess underneath all this is the graphics card. And then you got your I/O ports. So yeah, looks good. So now the other fun part begins. So I'm going to set this down, and then I'm going to remove the hard drive, or remove all this stuff while I'm working on this. Okay, so let's lift this up. So we don't need this for now. Get rid of this. So now, this is the hard part. Well, this is not really the hard part, but it's the moment of truth. Because I'm hoping that one of these works. Either this one or this one. Yeah, I think it looks good. So far, so good, I think. And where's my... And of course we want to get that connected. So what we want to do first, the thing that would be great is if I could test it before putting everything back, but unfortunately can't do that. So you pretty much got to just assume, or just do it all again. So there it is. That's the 500 gigabyte. Taking that out. And then I don't know which one to choose. Well, let me first look.